The National People's Party has followed the politics of development. The NPP has followed the politics of people first. The NPP has always believed in positive development and in positive politics. And because of the work that we have done in the last 4.5 years, the faith and trust of the people has grown. And that is why today, hundreds and hundreds of people are joining the National People's Party throughout the state. Today also, we saw hundreds of supporters from the HSPDP, hundreds of supporters from the Congress who have today decided to support Bajigur Bottom and the National People's Party. And because people are losing faith in other political parties, you are seeing many sitting MLAs are leaving their original parties. We are seeing this happen even in the HSPDP and other political parties also. And hence it speaks volumes of the faith and the trust that people have on the National People's Party. And hence, I would like to share with you that coming 2023 election, you have to only keep one thing in mind. And that important thing is that the National People's Party will be forming the government again. We will be getting a single majority in 2023. And the people of Mohit area and the people of Moshurut constituency will have to decide whether you would like to be part of the government and continue to see the development that this NPP government has given you in the past 4.5 years. Or would you like to be sitting in the opposition and not getting any development in the future? The decision is on the people of Moshurut. All of you know that in the last 45 years of statehood, West Kasi Hills district and Moshurut constituency and Mohit area has been one of the most neglected districts and areas in the entire state. Even before I took over as Chief Minister, I told the people of the state that given an opportunity, we will do our best to ensure that West Kasi Hills and the people residing here should also get the development that other parts of the state are getting. And in the last 4.5 years, we have done everything in our capacity to ensure that different forms of development come to the district. I once again thank our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Bapeston Tinso, our Honorable MLA, Bajigur, and all the officials who were involved in ensuring that this road had come up. Without their hard work, this would not have been possible. As mentioned, after listening to the speeches of the people, we have decided that we will be upgrading the PHC in Mohit area. And we will try to ensure that it is done at the earliest. And hence, my dear friends, you will have to make the decision. Many political parties will come and play politics. They will try to play communal card. They will try to bring out all negative aspects. But let me tell you, the people of this state have decided that no matter what kind of politics and negative stories that the opposition or other political parties might try to play against the National People's Party, the people of the state have seen the commitment and the work and the changes that have taken place in the state of Meghalaya during the rule of the National People's Party-led government, the NDA government. And hence, people will support the National People's Party. And I'm not here to play politics against these other small political parties who will try to make different kind of issues. We are not here to play negative politics. We have always believed in positivity. We have always believed in keeping people first. We have always believed in actions and not words. We have always believed in ensuring that we deliver what we promise. And that is why today, people of our state have faith in the National People's Party. And hence, I would urge all the people of West Khasias district, especially the people of Powet area under Marshall constituency, that this election is a very, very important election for this constituency. Because if you choose the National People's Party, if you choose Bajikur, then you are choosing the development that we have given in the last 4.5 years, and you're deciding that that development must continue. If you do not choose Bajigur and the National People's Party in this election, means that you do not want to continue with the development and the change that you are seeing. The choice is yours. Choose wisely. This coming election, the National People's Party will form the government again, as I said. By God's grace, we will also be not just the single largest party, but we will also strive towards getting single majority. And hence, we are seeing that the next 5 years will see the continuity of people's driven politics, of developmental politics, and we would want Marshall constituency to be part of that. I'm very happy today that so many people from different political parties have joined us. It only motivates us more to continue our dedication for each one of you. It motivates us more to work harder for the people of our state. It motivates us to keep in mind that all aspects, all cultures, all communities and all denominations and all religions that are there in our state, equal development must be given to all. Once again, I thank each and every one of you for coming here. I know it has been a long day and all of you must be also quite hungry. I once again thank Bajigur Mautam, the local MLA, who has organized this wonderful meeting, and once again thank all of you for staying here in this meeting, even though it was so hot. We have stayed for almost 4 hours in this meeting. I once again thank each and every one of you. May God bless the National People's Party, and may God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shikun, Matela, and Jai Hind.